We're heading into the gauntlet of potholes, terrible patchwork. We just went over some. We would normally go straight, but we're going to go right so we get the full effect. We get 70 seconds into the flight velocity. We get the full effect of all these potholes. I'm going to try to miss them as best as I can. Jeez. See them over there? There's more there. But we're really going to get into them up here. The patchwork is ridiculous. We're at Durham and York, turning left. When we first turn left, it's going to be the gauntlet from hell when it comes to patchwork. They don't even roll anything. Watch this. Here we go. I have to go slow through certain parts of it because it just beats the hell out of the car. Here's the first group. Got to go around them. See them? And you got to really slow down for this. Look at this. It's been like this for 2 years. Look at the stretch. Look how slow I'm going. I'm going 18 miles an hour on the right side of the road. Look at this. What a freaking joke. Listen how bumpy it is right here. There you go. We're out of the gauntlet. Unbelievable.